Want to earn money online without leaving your home? Here are 7 real ways to start today. Number 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Skills like graphic design, writing, video editing, or even virtual assistants are in demand. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, you can teach online using platforms like Cambly, Preply, or Chegg Tutors. Number 3. Print on demand. Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, and bags. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon do the printing and shipping for you. Number 4. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok without showing your face. Use stock videos, animations, or AI tools to create engaging content. Number 5. Sell digital products. Create ebooks, planners, or online courses. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Share product links and earn commissions when people buy. Join programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Number 7. Remote jobs. Many companies hire people to work from home. Look on job boards like remote.co, We Work Remotely, or FlexJobs. Tip: start small, be consistent, and focus on one method first. Which one will you try?